This is KOA Holiday in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We are currently staying here during our RV trip, and it is right off of a main street, so I'm standing at the entrance and it's a little noisy, but once you're inside you don't hear the traffic, so it's not bad. But I wanted to show you guys this RV park in particular because we really loved the amenities, the cleanliness, the service. Everything about it has been great. So here they have propane for you to fill up your RV. So that's a nice service to have. There's also a dump station. They have dump stations at your personal sites as well, but they also have one here, which is like in the common area. The other thing that's really cute is they have putt-putt, miniature golf. We didn't get to play it because we went out and did a lot of sightseeing. This is where you check in. This is the main office. They're super nice. They're super helpful. We came in because we needed quarters for the laundry, and they had quarters for us. They helped us with the washers and dryers that we had some issues with, but they helped us with no problem. They're here a good amount of time, from 8 to 8, and I believe they actually stay till 9. They have souvenirs inside. They also sell like charcoal and Kleenex, cleaning products, snacks. So they have all of that inside. Magnets, which I need to get a magnet. I do always get a magnet for my refrigerator when I travel, in addition to Christmas ornaments, which I talked about in my video when I was in New Orleans. I get Christmas ornaments all the time. Oh. Cute little waterfall here, so you guys can see some of the things they have. They do sell ice if you need it. There are 10-pound bags of ice, and they sell them for $3 a bag. I had to buy some when we arrived. So if you need ice, they have it. I was so excited when I saw Betty Boop. She's like my favorite. If you don't know, I love, love, love Betty Boop. So that's the first thing I saw when I went into the gift shop. So they do require that you wear masks whenever you go in. Any of the buildings, so I do like that. And this is the laundry room. There are 6 washers, 2 dryers, and actually we did a load of laundry and it was $1.50, and it gave us 29 minutes. So not sure why it says 20, but it did give us 29 minutes, which was more than enough time. And we put 4 quarters in for the dryer, so we did 32 minutes, and our clothes were fully dry, so we didn't have to put any more money in. So there's also an entrance here to go into the gift shop from here. They have a vending machine here with drinks. And then it's getting dark now. So you say they have the playground area here, which is cute. The men's room and the ladies' room. I will show you the ladies' room. I don't think it will be okay if I show you the men's room. So they have 3 bathroom stalls. And then 3 showers. So I do like that the showers are individual, so you have your own stall, a little bench here, little hooks for your towels and things, and then your own personal shower. I did use the shower yesterday, and it's very clean in here. It smells great. They have someone that cleans it every single day. She was super nice yesterday. Let's go out here. And there's also a game room. Like I said, it's getting dark, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to see much in the game room. I don't know if there's a light in there. We can try. I did go in there yesterday just to check it out, but it was daytime. So let's see if I can see any of it right now. I don't know if there are hours to it. What does it say? Oh, 8 to 8 p.m. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. are the hours for the game room. Oh. So it does say it's open. Let's see. Oh, it is open. All right. There might be a light switch. Ah, there is. Yay! Oh, air hockey. Pinball machine. 2 pool tables. So you do have to put 4 quarters in here to play pool, which I don't think is bad. A video game, a driving video game. Galaga, a classic. And something called Rapid Fire, I'm not familiar with that. And then multi-K. These are always fun. I love these because they have like different kinds of games. So this one looks like it has Mario Brothers and some other things, some other games. So as you can see, it's very clean in here. I haven't seen anyone in the game room since we've been here. But I also haven't seen many kids here either. There are a lot of campers here, but I have not seen a lot of kids. Now let's turn the lights back off. Save their energy bill. This is the picnic area, which we've been using because we are right across the street from it. So we're so close to it, we've just been coming over here and using the grill and the tables. No one else was using it but us. I guess people had just been using their own stuff. But we didn't bring a grill with us, so this was super convenient. And a couple of other RV parks we went to that were not KOA, we did not have grills. So as I mentioned before, we were kind of bummed out about that. This is the pool. The pool is open until 8. And it's just about getting to that time, I believe. I think it's about an hour or so before 8. So let's see if I can open this. Plenty of lounge chairs and umbrellas, tables and chairs. A waterfall, which is fun. The pool is a nice size. There's KOA in the pool. So that's nice. There's a deck up here if you just want to sunbathe and not be too close to the water getting splashed. I did not get a chance to go into the pool. It was warm yesterday for a little while, and then it got breezy, and right now it's kind of breezy. So I don't want to go in and, you know, get sick or whatever since we're on the road. I don't want to do that. Let's see if I can open this to show you the hot tub. This is the hot tub for 18 years and older only, which I love, and it feels nice. It feels nice and warm. It's not too hot. I don't like when hot tubs are super hot. Do you guys? Some people like when they are like boiling hot. I like when they're comfortable, but not boiling hot. That's just my preference. So you can see back here, there are a bunch of RVs, even some people just arriving now. So let's go back out. And they also have a kiddie pool, which I thought was cute. You don't see that too often, where they have a separate pool for the kiddos. Let's see if I can get out of the hot tub area. Let's see. Uh-oh. I may have to go around. Okay, I have to go around to get out. They do have it closed off because they don't want kids coming into the hot tub area. So I'll just show it from here actually. Kiddie pool. So if you have really little kids and you don't want them going into the big pool, it's nice to have. These here are this right here I should say is one of the premium sites. And as you can see, it comes with a, you have your own swing, fire pit, and tables and chairs. So all of the sites do not have that. And I believe when we looked it up online, it was about $10 more than just the standard site like we have. So our camper is all the way to the front, but we're walking back. And as you see, there are some more RVs here. Some people may like that. They may like to be farther back. I can see the cabins from here. So these are the cabins that you can rent instead of staying in an RV. I've stayed at KOA cabins before, and I do know that some are just a cabin. That's it. There's just a bed in there, you know, a couple of beds. There is not a toilet. There is not a kitchen, no microwave, no coffee machine. You have to bring your own sheets for the bed. So it's very basic. Then they do have deluxe cabins where you do have a bathroom and a kitchen. So there are options, which I do like. Nice gator there. A nice bench. So it looks like with the cabin they give you a fire pit. That's nice. I'm calling it a fire pit, but it's a grill. This is the pet area. So that's nice. Walk your pets. pet playground. They can run around. It seems that most of the campers are RVers here. So it does go pretty far back. I don't know how many RV sites there are. And it's quiet. It's not very loud. People are just relaxing. Maybe people are still out sightseeing. So I believe we are walking up on the KOA kitchen, if I'm not mistaken. I did see it from down where I was standing. From where I was standing. Okay, this is the KOA kitchen. We were behind it. Ah, I see. So it's attached to the other area with the washers and dryers. Another restroom here. I see a ladies' room. And another set of washers and dryers. And a little utility sink. Hey, kitty. And it looks like the men's room is there. So I hope you like this video of KOA Holiday Baton Rouge in Louisiana. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and a like, and please subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming travel videos. See you soon on Elena Whitley Travels. Thanks for watching.